ngibheke le post yakaSipho Chain, and to tell the truth, I think this is very fake. Why ngithi this is fake? Number one, Sipho Chain is a very disciplined goalkeeper. He knows what to do, when to do, and how to do it. He's a very, very disciplined goalkeeper. Number two, Sipho Chain knows very well ukuthi in a big club like this, if you do that, if you make such a comment in such a big club as Orlando Pirates, you will face very, very harsh punishment. You will face a very, very harsh punishment. But again, iyamfanela futhi uSipho Chain lento. Why ngisho njalo? Number one, is uSipho Chain behavior yakhe, attitude yakhe hasn't been good, especially after the game le Limpopo. It hasn't been good in two occasions. Number one, you look at indawo lena when it comes to Limpopo. In Limpopo laphana kuma penalty uSipho Chain simshayela izandla siyamemeza samculela, and he turns his back to against my fans. He turns his back, walks away, right? Even when you try to sing, even the time my players saw my supporters, he did the same thing. He just faced away from us, right? Fine. Number two, the situation I got dancing. What happens? Dancing umfana misses a ball, makes a huge blunder, and then almost a team goal, right? What does uSipho Chain do? Instead of going there and comforting the boy, he asks uRefi, he asks coach, hey coach, keep it one, which is something we supporters don't even do. As supporters, we don't even do. Anyone lapha standing who will say we play late sub off, sell shy. And I'm proud to say that. I'm proud to say anyone phambi kwethu ozothi I'm shy, because you're killing in momentum the spirit of my play. So uChain vele iyamfanela lento, but at the same time I genuinely think this is fake.